If you are that single pathetic weebs, then this video is perfect for you. You can experience a life where there are many girls who are interested in you just by watching an anime. And that anime is...
あんまり見ないでください。
One Room. Imagine you are the main character in a slice of life anime filled with girls who like you. Just imagine it first. Yep, One Room is an anime that can fulfill your fantasy. In this anime, you, the viewers, will play the role of the main character. You will be watching this anime from a first-person point of view. By watching anime from the first-person perspective, One Room can give the impression that you, the viewers, are the main character in this anime. In this anime, you will experience life with several cute and beautiful girls. Living everyday life with them from ordinary moment to the most special one. One Room presents a unique and interesting story in showing the dynamic of the relationship between the main character, which is you, the viewers, and the girls in the anime. So, if you are looking for a unique, entertaining, and different anime watching experience, especially if you want to feel like the main character in an anime, then One Room could be the right choice for you. Sponsor time! If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. You can click below here. I'm currently aiming for 1000 subscribers. I'm looking forward for your help. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. You can also support me on Patreon or Ko-fi. Okay then, let's continue. In this season, there is an anime called One Room Hyatari Futsu Tenshizuki. It is not a continuation of One Room, but it has a similar title. This girl is Towa. She is so cute, so I made her my waifu for this season. Who is your waifu this season? If you have any other interesting anime recommendation, you can give your recommendation in the comment section below. Do you like gender-bender anime? If you do, you can watch my previous video here, where I recommend 5 interesting gender-bender anime, right here.